So that's it. I am choosing digital reselling as my 2026 income plan because your girl needs a simpler way to make money online. Okay. I don't need more ideas, more projects. I don't need none of that. Okay. I really needed something that fits my entire life. Okay. So you picking up what I'm putting down? Yeah. So I am Sharlrita Deloach, as you can tell, and I build income online in a very calm and practical way. So I share what I'm doing, I share what I'm using, and what's working for me, and that's what I'm doing on this channel, even going here and beyond to 2026, because we like soft life. Okay, we like Alani drinks too to give us energy, but I'm not promoting them, but this is what I love. So I want to share with you what my plan is, what this looks like, and I'm going to invite you to do the same if you want to. Okay, this is a volunteer army. I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I am going to use my YouTube platform to share with you what I am doing, what's working for me, what's not working for me, and you can decide if you want the same. Because yeah, we got a lot going on, and I know that there are thousands of women that I am encouraged to help, and this is my way of helping women, to give you a blueprint of what I am doing to make income online. Well, one of the ways that I'm making income online, and how to do it in a organized, calm, soft way, whatever those words mean to you, so that it fits your life. So let's talk about first why I made this shift. So I spent years, I've been online since 2014. I'm not new to this, okay? I spent a lot of years building things from scratch, having new offers, new content, new system, doing the switcheroo. It works, make money, okay? But it does take a lot of energy, right? And I didn't want to keep doing business that way. You got to like decide what you want and what you don't want. And when I learned about digital reselling, I realized that I could just sell products that already exist, already work. They much rather solve a problem. I didn't need to create the product or even design it, be in Canva, the system. And, I didn't need to start from ground zero. So I can really, really put my focus on creating content and sharing. Right. And that's what I love about this model. So you're going to see a lot of me, especially going into 2026, doing what I'm doing now, creating simple videos like this, and allowing my videos to do the selling for me, to my very low cost digital products. And I love digital products that you can not only learn from, but you can earn from. So that's essentially what I do. I buy a digital product that I want to learn. Okay, there's a skill that I want to learn, something that I don't know about. I take it, I flip it, and I sell it to other women that not only allow them to learn from it, but they can earn from it too. So I found that model just so simple. It's so simple and so easier for me. Here's what I actually do. Okay, so I will purchase a high quality digital products. I have tons of them. Then I actually use them. So I go and I learn, and then I turn around. Once I learn, see where I need to apply it, then I resell them. That's it. So I don't have no inventory. I don't have to ship nothing, no customer calls, no complicated tech. My business truly fits into my life instead of taking over it. So now I am formalizing my life where if I want to work mornings, I work mornings. I homeschool my kids. If you've been here long enough, I handle the home and I still make money. Like, this model allows me to do just that. I don't have to coach. Not saying I don't like doing those things, but it's not a factor that I have to do to make money. You see what I mean? Like, I don't have to do any of that to make money. I just share the products that I love learning from, and I feel like that other women should learn this too. And then I decide, hey, let me rebrand it, rename it, make sure that it fits my brand, change the colors. I don't even change a lot of the inside because it's really good information. And women decide, hey, I want that too. Let me get it. Some women decide to get it and decide to, hey, you know what? I just want to learn it. I don't want to resell it. That's okay too. But at least you have that option. You'll have that option to get you an income stream set up really, really fast. There's some free trainings that I direct you to in an amazing school community that I'm a part of. If you want to opt into that, you can. It's like, it's no more convincing. you know and I'm not saying that my way is the best way. It's best for me, and then you get to decide if it's best for you too. Now, for me, digital reselling really gives me predictable income. First off, very low overhead. I don't even pay a lot in subscriptions and things like that for my business. Flexible work hours, a system that already exists, and room to grow. Okay, so I'm like no longer building 10 things at once. I'm just building one simple pathway. Okay. And that's my focus for 2023. 2023. 2026. What? Girl, I'm trying to take you back to 2023. But but that's really truly my focus. And I want to make it easier for other women like myself. You may be, a stay-at-home mom. You may be a wife like me, or maybe you're a working mom. You have a 9 to 5. You can set up a really simple business, and you can have this business working for you. And please don't worry. Don't worry. If you decide, you know what, Sharlrita, I want to take your guide. I love it. First, I'm going to purchase it and I'm going to learn from it. And you find that, wow, I really, really love this. I think more women or men should learn about this. I'm going to sell it too. I don't leave you hanging there. That's why I introduce you to a school community that I'm a part of that has the free trainings. It's like somebody over the shoulders with you, showing you how to set up your digital product. Okay. And even guess what? How to market it too. So you'll learn all that for free when you purchase, the guide. So again, I'm just in this place where I want to make business simple for myself, and I want to make it simple for other women that God is calling me to. And I just believe in leading by example. So, your girl, I'm not going to tell you to do anything that I am not doing, but I just wanted to make this simple for myself, and possibly you can make it simple for you too. So here's what I am personally going to stop doing. Okay. I don't chase new business ideas. I'm not creating any products from scratch. I'm not trying to do everything myself. Okay. I'm not going into this year overworking, overcomplicating things. It's strictly about focus and taking action. Okay. My income is becoming steadier. It's becoming simplified, so that when as I decide to venture into other things to make income, that it's not going to be so hard. I won't feel like I'm all over the place because I've made my system very, very simple. And that's the thing that I am learning as as we, go into a new year. Whenever you watch this video, is that everything online works, right? So no matter what you decide to do online, everything works. You just got to find your way. This is my way. And you're like, you know what? I want that way too. And if you got to have extreme focus, right? You have to be able to have the constraints that you don't need to invest in every single thing. Like, yeah, we keeping it lean and clean over here. We're not throwing money at everything. We are doing simple videos like this, sharing our journey, teaching a little bit. I love to teach. So if I find something that I think will be very helpful for you, I will bring it here to the channel. But that's what I'm on. Okay. Tell me what you on in the comments, because that's what your girl is on. And I love it. I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited about the thousands of women that God is calling me to help. in this year get set up in this simple way. You're especially going to learn you love the community. I was just in there today, and the community is called Build My Income Daily Community. Now, I'm not the head of that community, but I love the community because what am I doing? Okay. I'm living my best soft life and I'm sharing the resources. And this is a great resource. So when you decide you want to take the digital product that I'm going to talk about in just a moment, you're like, you know what? I want that guide. I want to learn from, but you know what? I think I want to take this and resell it and make it my own for my brand, Sharlrita. I want to be able to do that. The step-by-step tutorials are inside the community. Okay. So I'm just doing what I'm sure. I'm just doing what I'm telling you I'm doing, and what's working for me, and sharing the resources that help me to make money online. Now, about that digital product that I was telling you about, that's going to be your next step after you log out of this video. So you want a simple way that you can start making money online. Start with the same method I use. So learn how to be a great reseller. Learn how you can take products that are already created, that are already working, and you can make them your own. Okay. So that's why I created the Soft Life Reseller method, to show you how to do that. People do this in every different industry, imagine. But this is how I do it in a digital way. Okay. In a softer way. One of the ones that I saw was someone was being a reseller for Amazon. That's a thing too. I didn't want to do that. So with this guide, you will learn the ins and outs of what is being a digital reseller. Like, how would that look for me? And where can I find, high value digital products and all those great things. So yeah, you're going to be able to see in this guide. Soft Life Reseller method that I have for you. It's a simple step-by-step guide that helps you to start making money online by reselling digital products, what you see me do, without creating anything from scratch. All right, I got the link down below in the description. I believe it's only $47 that you invest, and then it also, if you want to, there's another income stream that you want a higher income stream. I introduce you to that as well. So your girl is really getting into this whole reseller business model. I really, really love it. And this is also a great way to make money in your sleep. Yep. The hard part that most people I've heard before that say that it's hard, is the hard part is just get it set up. But you get the free community and it show you step by step getting your simple digital product set up. So yeah, so you can do that as well. So yeah, I hope that this video kind of gave you some ideas on where you want to go in 2026. If reselling is your thing and you like, I want to do that in a nice, simple, and soft way, grab the guide down below in the description. Okay. So I look forward to chatting with some of you in 2026. I hope that you have an amazing plan and goals ahead of you and where you want to go, so that you can live your best soft life. And I'll be here cheering you on. Okay. So that's my plan. That's what's working for me. That's where we're going in 2026. Okay. So I cannot wait to possibly see you inside of the community. And I look forward to chatting with you soon. All right. Until the next time, girl. See you later. Bye.